we talk about the trend continuation pattern after the breakout shown up here, although it's overbought and there is a flagging structure. There's a small flag like this, and there is a breakout and then continuation pattern. We have 2 days pullback, which is still okay at this moment because in terms of the supply, here we do have a ton of the supply. It's normal, and in terms of the progress to the downside is negligible, like minus 0.15%. Not a big deal. So far, so good. It's healthy. The trend is still up. And in terms of the swing, you can see it in the trend channel. This is a trend channel that I added in last week. In terms of the long-term trend, this is a well-established up channel. And here is overbought, and here is the extreme overbought, which we can also draw at another channel. This is the new channel, the very short-term channel that has been established January this year and is keep traveling within this up channel. We also talk about potential violation of this channel. Then there could be a reversal from the uptrend, but there are still quite a few levels underneath. This is the key levels that we need to watch out for to seek for the final confirmation for the bearish case, at least a correction or a meaningful pullback. Without a violation or a commitment below 49.50, the trend is still up. There are a few support levels. First level has been adjusted to 51.15 or 5100 as a round number. It needs to violate this candle. We need to see a candle to commit below this breakout candle. We could have a pullback to another support level, which is 50.50. This is the axis line. 50.50 is a second level. The first level will be around 5100. Second level, 50.50. The third level is the more meaningful level, which is the 48.50 level. As long as it's above the 48.50, the trend is still up, swing is still up, long term still up. Only if it breaks down, have this kind of the change of character wave, break down, and then go down, then we could look for some of the short-term bearish trades. You can see from the stock screener, there are less than 100 of the bearish setup. Not worth to pay attention at the moment. There is no confirmation and also no characteristics of the bearish signs. As said, there is spike of the supply, which could be the preliminary supply. We got supply come out here, supply come out here. A little bit of the supply increase of the volume, but not so threatening at the moment. In terms of the immediate trend, this could be another trend continuation to the upside, although this is right at the channel overbought. This is again the overbought of the new channel. Overbought here, again, another overbought here. If you can spot a pattern, this could be another rising wedge, something like this. A rising wedge right there means that there is a shortening of the thrust to the upside from here to here to here. The wave to the upside is getting shorter and shorter, means that the momentum exhausts a little bit. Once it's break down, then it could go back to this level, the 50-50, which is still bullish. In terms of the immediate trend, we want to see if this level could defend 5100 level is the first level. If it breaks down, then not only in the rising wedge and also the horizontal level will give way. We'll look for the next level, 50-50. Nick is a high chance of correction. Well, it depends on your definition of correction. It's overbought. We could see a breakdown, probably triggered by the Fed chairman testifying this coming Wednesday, Thursday. We need to see whether there will be a ton of the volatility pickup and how big is the bearish candle. Because from a technical point of view, this is really overbought and the momentum to the upside is getting exhausted. I wouldn't be surprised if we have a pullback to 50-50 or even a more meaningful pullback all the way to about 48.50. And this could be my favorite scenario because volatility could pick up and we could see the down wave and then bounce back up fiercely and then chop around. And eventually it could have some correction and a mean of reversion trade back to somewhere around 47 or 4800. It's too early to tell at this point, but we need to monitor it one day at a time. Trend is still going up. Need to watch out for the key level closely and watch out for the existing positions, lock in the profits. If you want to initiate a new position, watch out your risk and manage the position, lock in the profits, at least half, then you could be more easy and flexible to manage the rest of the positions. If you want to catch my latest videos, click on the subscribe button and the bell right now so that you get instant notification once I upload my latest video. If you want to check out my online courses, go to tradeprecise.com to find out how to profit consistently from any market without using complex indicator or understanding any financial statement, no matter you are trading or investing.